When it's cold and all the family needs is some comfort food, I normally make the soup, which is my signature soup that I make every winter. And it coincides with the school holidays for public schools in Gauteng, South Africa. Then that literally saves me from all the food that the boys need to eat when they're at home, because at least there's always soup in the fridge. The main protein in the soup is beef. You can literally switch when it comes to the main protein. Actually, all these ingredients are just a guideline. When it comes to the spices, it's also a matter of preference. I'm adding some rosemary and then some garlic, cayenne pepper, and then sage, some dried sage, fresh parsley. Then I mix all that together. Can you see how it is coming up? Really nice. This is a big pot, guys. I've got a big family, so I need to prepare a lot. And then I'm just adding some bell peppers there just to give it color, and then also some goodness. Himalayan salt to taste, and then more protein, lentils. These were pre-boiled. I also pre-boiled the chickpeas, and then now I'm just adding them to the soup to make it more wholesome and filling for longer. And I'm now adding some water to fill this pot up, because it is a soup after all. And I had to add about 6 liters of water because this is a big pot. A side note, the sweet potatoes that I added earlier are going to disappear because they're going to become mushy after boiling for a while, and then they just make the soup thicker. I'm also adding the Robertson aromatic roast potato spice into the soup. I'd forgotten to add it earlier. I don't know why, because this is like a staple in our family. We add it to almost every dish that we make. And some more water to fill the pot up. Another side note, I added 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to the soup to make it thicker. That's all that I add to the soup. And now I'm leaving it to cook for an hour or 2 so that all the flavors can merge together. This is a big pot, so I used 2 plates to cook in it. I've got 4 boys to feed, including my husband, of course, so I need these volumes. I freeze some of it so that we can be able to use it later, like when the one that is in the fridge is finished, then we can always enjoy soup for longer, like the whole week. So if you come to my house in winter, there's most probably some soup in the fridge, and those who have tested it, they have always said, please can you give us the recipe? That's the reason why I decided to post this one for you. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.